Good morning, everyone. I'm pretty excited. It's our first day of Prerun. We're down here just north of San Felipe.
You boys like Mexico? My man Tommy getting stuck in secondary.
Just unloading the trailer. It's supposed to be Prerun with Elliot, but Elliot's got class this morning, so we're gonna go run like, I don't know, 80 miles and then see where he's at. So let's do it.
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach and give me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought, like those on my wall, I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, I had to be free. You want it, I got it, so tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it.
Alright, just made it. We ran like 30 miles for the start, which was horrible, super rough. Just beating us up, just chewed up, whoops. Then we hopped on the highway through, cut across, now we're at race mile like 280 or 290, check 2, and we're gonna go run to 360. But hanging out, got some other guys.
I know you can do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in, the grind never stop. You ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really, I'll make it happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What can I say? I'm top.
308 now. My dad met us out here in the middle of a big sand wash. Pretty good actually. This section hasn't been bad. Lots of sand whoops, but kind of fun, a little higher pace. Not as much just.
I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leave. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it. Go get it, you got it, I see it.
Christopher, is that your first time holding a hammer?
So Christopher, tell us what's going on here. It looks like you broke something.
Yeah, I broke an axle.
You broke an axle?
Yeah.
Was it driver error?
Probably. We smoked a rock.
You smoked a rock?
Like probably like 60 miles ago.
Yeah.
Who knows though? Who knows if that did it?
Looks like you got a good crew there.
Yeah, we got Edgar and Jimmy on the job.
Yeah.
Edgar's a professional. Yeah, they are matching. I didn't even realize it. That's cool.
So this should get you about what? How many followers should you get with this? I mean, I think this is pretty awesome. The way we got a cement slab, we got shade, and we have 2 master mechanics.
Edgar for the win.
Edgar's a goat.
You look good, Edgar. Oh.
Striking toes, dude.
I know you can do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it.
Okay, just finished our day of pre-running. I don't know, I think we did over 200 today. Just got back to the house. gonna take a shower. I actually have class. We had to cut early today. I have class at 7, even though it's a Saturday. USD, man. Communist. But it was a good day. First day. Course is rough. It's gonna be a long race day for sure. And we're gonna get beat up. That's what we're actually changing. When Elliot and I will get in. Originally we were just gonna go straight to 360. But now I think I'm gonna run 240, get out. Someone's gonna drive it from 240 to 360, and then I'll get back in and take her to the finish, which is just shy of 500 miles. So it's gonna be a long day though. Nutrition is gonna be key. It's gonna be hot, and rough. Good morning. Yeah, here, Elliot, give us a lowdown. You love being in the vlogs.
That's maybe a nice peanut butter sandwich.
Okay.
We're here.
Where are we?
Being ready to pre-run in Mexico.
I was hoping for a little more detail.
I don't like detail, but you see here, that's the race course. I rode right there. Nada. They would have kept it.
Quinn, you got anything to say?
Hit the road, dude.
All right, we're around like 195, so we've done like 35 miles this morning. It's pretty rough so far. Really choppy. Don't mind my zinc, but it's gonna be a long day on race day. It is choppy and rocky so far. Beautiful Mexico. Donkey commanders. Old Elliot freaking got her stuck out here in the sticks. So, just got home from Mexico, pretty stoked. Only had to wait 10 minutes in the line crossing the border, which if you've ever been to Mexico, who's been to Mexico? Comment below if you have been to Mexico. But if you've been to Mexico, you know the border line can be hours sometimes. I only had to wait like 10 minutes, 15 minutes on a Sunday. I do have a Sentry card, so I get to like go in a fast lane, but still, I was like, this, I really love Mexico now, if I can do that. But you guys know the deal. Drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you don't already. I'd really appreciate it. We got tons of new action coming, so if you're watching this, I'm on my way, or I'm actually in Arizona right now with my Pro Light. Going to be racing that this weekend, so a new vlog will be dropping the following Wednesday about race in Chandler, Arizona. And then after that, straight from Chandler, I'm going back to Mexico to pre-run. And then we got the Baja 500. So the next few weeks are going to be pretty fun on the vlog. The next pre-run video, I think it's going to be pretty comical. It's going to be a big pack of us. So be sure to tune in. And I'll see you guys next week. As always, eat.
Oh, went not very smooth through the border, but
Yeah, why were you having so many issues? You steal that car?
we don't need to talk about that, but we made it.